Hey guys, I'm Nisa Homey. Today I'm sharing an instant dosa recipe. This no grain dosa recipe is protein and fiber rich, ideal as a healthy breakfast or as a dinner. So let's get started with the recipe. Into a bowl, I'm adding in 1 cup masoor dal. Add in some water and wash and rinse it a couple of times or until the water is clear. Once thoroughly rinsed, add in some more water and let it soak for about 1 to 2 hours. Now, if you're planning to make this for breakfast, you can always soak it overnight. If you're planning to make it for dinner, you can soak it in the morning or even in the afternoon. Anyway, between 1 to 2 hours of soaking will be ideal. Longer soaking time will help to release the phytic acid content in the dal. So, if you have noticed having any digestive issues when consuming dals, you may need to soak it a bit longer. You can also add in a teaspoon or juice of half a lemon into the water in which the dal is soaking to help prevent digestive issues. So for now, I'm going to soak it for about 2 hours. It's about 2 hours now and the dal is nicely soaked. I'm going to rinse it a couple of times and then I'm going to add it into my blender jar. I have added the soaked and rinsed dal into my blender jar. Next, I'm adding in half cup roughly chopped carrots. So this is 2 medium-sized carrot, a sprig of fresh curry leaves, 3 shallots. I'm roughly slicing the shallots and adding it into the blender jar. Shallots are a good source of iron and folate, hence I like to use them in my recipes. However, if you don't have shallots at hand, you can use 1/4 of an onion, half teaspoon Kashmiri chili powder, half teaspoon sea salt or as needed, 1/4 teaspoon jeera, also known as cumin seeds, 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1/4 teaspoon asafoetida powder, also known as hing or kayam in Malayalam. Add in 1 cup of water. The water should be just above the ingredients. And now I'm going to grind this until everything is nicely ground into a dosa batter consistency. Pour the dosa batter into a bowl. I'm adding in half cup of water into the blender jar and I'm washing down the residue onto the bowl. And give this all a good mix. I used a total of 1.5 cups of water. 1 cup of water I used for grinding and half cup I used later. And this is the consistency of the batter. There is no need to ferment this dosa batter. You can make instant carrot dal dosa with this batter. There is no need to ferment. If you prefer, you can ferment this batter. You can also store leftover batter in the refrigerator and it will stay good for 3 to 4 days. Also note that jeera and ajwain will help with digestion, so try not to skip it. I'm heating my cast iron tawa and I'm greasing it with wood pressed gingerly oil. Once the tawa is heated, reduce the flame to the lowest and pour in 1 to 1.5 ladleful of the dosa batter and spread it out as thinly as possible into a round dosa. Drizzle in a little bit of wood pressed sesame oil, or you can use A2 desi ghee instead. Allow that side to get cooked. You can enjoy this dosa with any chutney or sambar or even with pickle of your choice. Once that side is nice and crisp, carefully flip it over and allow that side to get crisp as well. Once that side is done, flip it over and serve to a plate. You can see that this instant dosa is crispy. Transfer to a serving plate. So guys, do try this healthy protein and fiber rich carrot dosa recipe and let me know in the comments how it turned out. Thank you for watching and until next time, take care. Bye bye.